Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I'm Sharon Holt, I'm the author of Te Reo Singalong books, and today I'm demonstrating a game idea that you can make your own. This is just a few ideas, and it's relative to our book Ngā Āhua, which is our shapes book, so that's why I've got some shapes cards here. In our Te Reo Singalong books we have a page like this which you can photocopy and make those shape cards yourself, or else you can just get the children to help you to make them. They would love doing the stars and the circles, I'm sure. Now when you're doing I'll start with this colour, when you're doing some vocab teaching, which is really important because Te Reo Singalong books aren't just to be fun on the mat, they're teaching vocabulary, teaching phrases, teaching sentences. So when you're looking at learning vocabulary, games is a really good way to do that. So I've got 4 shapes here. You could do with 2 or 3. 4 is probably the maximum that I would do at a time, and if the children know a lot more, then they could do, they could do more. But let's say they haven't got much knowledge of the names for the shapes in Te Reo Māori, and if you hold this up and they say star, then that's good. And then if you say Te Reo in Te Reo Māori, see what they say. And you might need to teach this one. Tapa toru, toru is 3, tapa is sides, a 3-sided shape, tapa toru. And manawa, you can refer to the heart in the book. We're making a heart with our fingers in the song, so manawa. So let's see what happens if I have a turn and I see if I can land on a card. I landed in the middle of the card there. Oh, there I go, I landed on this one, tapa toru. So if I say tapa toru, then I get that card, and so on and so on. If you do want to add colours, you can add different colours but the same shape. And if you want to add going into different shapes, then you can do that with the different colour or the same colour. It doesn't really matter. So let's have a look at what would happen if I added some extra colours here. So I'm going to put that back there. I'm going to make my tiddlywink jump, and it's landed on a porohita, whiro. So we say the colour after the shape, because mainly these are shapes, and what colour are the shapes? Different colours. So in this case this is a shape which is a colour. A porohita whiro. Let's see if we can land it. Oh, there's a whetū whiro. So always say the colour after the shape, and that person got that one and that person got that one, and then the game is probably who gets the most cards, especially only if they can say them in Te Reo Māori. So hopefully that will give you some ideas of how you can make a game up about shapes and increase the vocabulary for yourself, your teachers and the children as well. Ka kite.